Alright, y'all, we back. I turned my ribeye over here. See a nice golden brown here? Look at that. That's what you want. Nice golden brown ribeye. Like I said, I'm going to put it in a pan here. We're going to put it in the oven. We're going to start our gravy. This don't take long at all. So I'm going to take it out. Put it in a pan. See how pretty that is? Put it in my oven here. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'll move this oil over and I'm going to put my other little pot here. We're going to pour a little oil in here. Not much. Out of the chicken fried steak gravy. Grease. Take a little oil I got in here. Put this in here. We're going to make a little gravy here for the chicken fried ribeye. Like I say, this is so simple. And actually so quick. A ribeye takes no time at all to cook. Let this roux here cook down a little. Let it cool down, then we're going to add our half and half to this. Let that cook down. Okay, now we're going to add a little half and half. Get it as thin, as thick as you want. You add the milk little by little. You don't want to get it too thin and you can't thicken it up. So anyway, a little bit more milk. There we go. See how quick that is? More milk. This is going to be a rich gravy. Normally I use milk. I think I'm using half and half to give it that really upscale taste. Okay. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in here. And I like to use black pepper. It's the only time you'll see me use black peppers when I make a gravy. I put a little black pepper in there. We're going to taste it here and make sure it's good. And then we're going to plate this thing up. We're going to have some old school fried chicken with some, I'm going to put a little water in it, thin it out. Just a little, not much. Thin it out just a little. I got it creamy as I want it. That's pretty much all I want. A little bit more. Like I said, you can always thin it out. That's what I say, but you don't want to get it too thin where you can't thicken it anymore. So this is the easy part, thinning it out. Like I said, you can have it as thick or as thin as you want. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay. Fried steak ready. Okay, now let's plate this sucker up here. A lot of food on this plate, but it's gonna be worth it. Okay, I got me some mashed potatoes here. Done already. Got to have a mashed potato. This is a man's meal here, Texas style. Texas style meal here. Okay. Now. Got our chicken fried steak. Remember we put it in the oven earlier? Nice and tender, crispy. Throw that on there like that. And our gravy here. Got a nice old school gravy. Put some here on the mashed potatoes. And we're gonna spoon some all on here. Look at that. Ain't go wrong with that, y'all. Look at that. What she all about. That's a meal. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit there for a minute and let it kind of cool. It's definitely hot. See it smoking. And I'll be right back with the test the final product. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, this is the best thing in the world to eat, y'all. Look at this. See how crispy that is? Hear that crispy skin? This is awesome. Look at that. Oh my God, this is so good. A gravy on there. This is good, y'all. This is comfort at its best right here. Chicken fried ribeye. It doesn't get no better. You see how simple it was? Try this recipe, please. Anyway, that's it for this video. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Please comment. Please share. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.